I'm gonna cut up a squishy, subscribe, and comments down below. I'm gonna cut this squishy from Dollar General. So I'm gonna cut it up. Are you ready? I bet you're watching. Do not miss it. Stretchy rubber. Why is it sticky inside? Why is it so sticky? It's rubber. So I got this from Dollar General. Like what I said. Okay, this is actually pretty fun. Cutting up a squishy. Fun. And it said it got a face on it. Creepy. Another face on the back. Creepy. And this is not that bad. This is actually pretty soft. It's almost like slime. Like what I got right here on my right here. So this one is very stretchy. Why it's not stretchy to the rubber because on the rubber it's stretchy, but not as stretchy as this. But this one's so soft. That's why I got it. I got like two of these, but one got popped and dried out. So I got a new one and I cut it. And this one's very soft. But not as soft as this slime. And you can also mold with this. And I'm gonna make some merch. And I hope you buy it. Buy it. So I'm gonna make new merch very soon. And I hope you buy it.